What up, guys? It's me again, driving somewhere to go look at another car. Welcome back to a new video. I'm just recording this just in case I buy the car. I'm gonna go look at a Lamborghini Huracan. It's all right, you know, it's decent shape. Garage kept, and I don't really know what to tell you. It's dark gray, chrome rims. Yeah, just something light, you know. So I'm gonna go take a look at it. I'm driving right now. There's hella traffic. I'm recording on my phone, so it shouldn't be that ass, I hope. If I do end up getting it, then this video will drop. If I don't, then obviously I'm not gonna drop the video. So if I do, hope you guys enjoy the video. Go down, like, comment, subscribe if you want. And yeah, if I do get this, I forgot to say, this is gonna be a budget build. So I'm gonna try to build this with just a little bit of money. I'm not gonna have a limit, but I'm just gonna try to make this thing look nice with as little money as I can. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm just not trying to waste a lot of money. This is gonna be a flipping car. Again, all the cars I get are for me just to flip. So yeah, I'm not gonna put too much money. I'm not gonna put plates on it either. It doesn't have plates, so I just needed to pass the EQ and I'll be good. So once it passes the EQ, then I'll start to put money into it. And it is salvaged. A quarter panel damage. It still has it. I'm gonna see if it's not too bad so I can try to fix it, although I probably won't. I'm gonna have to pay someone to do it, but the guy that works in the same building as me does a bit of body work, so I know he would help me out. Yeah, I showed him the damage. He said it's repairable. So yeah, I'm talking too much. 2 minutes in, almost 3. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want. And yeah, I hope I get this car. Peace. So guys, I ended up picking up the car. Did that make sense? I ended up picking up the car, I think. Yeah. Well, anyways, I bought the car, guys. As you can see, can you guess what it is? No, you don't even gotta guess. You can see the emblem. It is a Lexus Is250, and it does not have navigation. This is officially my 3rd Lexus I've owned. My first ever one. I'll pop up a picture of it. It was a 2007 Lexus Is250. My second one, I'll pop up a picture of that too, a Lexus Is350, which was fucking sick. But yeah, this is another Lexus Is250. This is a rear-wheel drive. Mine used to be an all-wheel drive, the silver one. And this 250 is the same color as my 350, which is crazy. And I like the color. I didn't even test drive it, completely honest with you. That lady drove for me. I don't know why they didn't let me. Well, if I asked, they probably would have let me, but for some reason that lady decided to drive me around. But I'm driving to pick up my uncle. Since you can see there's no one in the passenger seat, I didn't bring anyone with me. So I left my Honda at the location we met, which was Fred Meyer's. Yeah, they filled up the gas. Well, they supposedly filled it up. It's halfway. But yeah, they put gas in it. Thank you for that, because I'm broke as shit now. This is a budget car, remember, guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a nice car with little bit of money. You know, us broke boys out here struggling real hard. We're fucking eating ramen noodles every single day starting today, and we're gonna be wearing the same underwear forever. We're just gonna be flipping it inside out and shit. And same for my socks. Alright, guys. So the car is over there. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't focus, but my uncle, I picked him up. He's gonna take it to his house, and I'm gonna go get my girlfriend, drive it back to her place. And yeah, we're gonna check it out, I guess. But yeah, it's my Honda. Look at this, hella miles. I'm gonna drive this thing till it has a million miles. I'm gonna try if I don't blow the engine. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna drive home and talk to you guys later. Peace. Well guys, we picked up the car. That's my girlfriend right there driving. She's a bit cranky right now because she missed a turn. But we're going home now. She likes it, I guess. Well, she has one herself. I'll show you guys her car later in the video. And I'm basically gonna build this car how my 350 was. Well, on a budget though. And the 350, I didn't build it. I already bought it like that. All I did was paint it. I'll try to find a picture of it as well when it was all fucked up from the front. And yeah. But yeah, we're going home right now. You guys see the car. And again, I'll see you guys later. Okay, what's your thoughts on this car?
This car is just a copycat of my car. This man loves my car so much, he bought a replica of it.
Okay, this is her car. Well, yeah, she tried to copy my IS350. And
This is a 350. My car is a 350. Okay, it's a very sexy 350. If you see,
it doesn't focus.
oh God,
that's not a 350. That's a slow 50.
no.
Just like this one. But yeah, she was jealous in the beginning, but
No.
she drove it and she calmed down. So here's the car, guys. 2010 Lexus Is250. This is the damage right here, and even worse, it gets in there. But yeah, in decent shape, to be honest. It just needs a vacuum and a little clean. And this is the front. It doesn't have the navigation, which sucks. I'm gonna look for it, but I probably won't buy it just because it's gonna be expensive, and this is a budget build. So door panels, the whole car just needs a cleaning. But besides the interior, I think the interior is a solid 8 out of 10 once I clean it. It's very windy as well, so I hope the audio is not too bad. That's the rear end. It does have a muffler delete. It's not too loud, so I think, actually we'll see it together. Let's see. Yeah, you see it's a muffler delete, that's all it is. And it has these, what is this, wicked flow tips. And some ugly ass 18-inch rims. These are the rims. I do not like them at all. They're so ugly to me. And what the fuck is this? I could have died. Look at this shit. Whoever did the rear brakes, dumb shit. I gotta change that IE like right now. So I'm gonna look for that. Here, look. Are these even the right brakes? Look at that. The brakes go out of the rotor. What in the world? That's crazy. I literally just saw that. And I can't see this side. My dad's truck is too close. Well, I parked too close. So that's my fault. But yeah, this is the car, guys. It is a 2010 Lexus Is250 salvage title with 127,000 miles. It comes with the manual. And I did buy brakes for it and a thermostat. Well, that's just the front brakes. They said the rear brakes were new, but I'm probably gonna need to go grab them since you just saw what the heck was going on back there. This is the rear. And yeah, I guess this is a little short clip of the car. The rest of the video is gonna be me talking. I don't think I'm gonna sell this car, to be honest. I just tried to straighten out the quarter panel and shit, but the door is all bent and shit. It's just way too fucked up. And I don't think anyone is gonna be interested in buying it if I do end up selling it, because I did buy this shit for a pretty high price. I thought it was just a quarter panel. I know I'm a dumbass. I didn't look at the door and under the car. I just saw the door panel and shit. I was just too focused on thinking that I was gonna get a big profit off this car, but it doesn't look like that's happening. So I might just end up keeping the car. I don't know if I'm gonna flip it, because I know damn well I'm not gonna get a lot of money for that shit. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna pay a little too much to get it repaired because I can't repair that shit myself. The door is, I don't even know how to take the dent out the door, and it's like it's a crease on the door, so even worse. So I'm gonna go to different body shops and get quotes. The lady did say that they quoted her $1,700 to fix that shit, and I still bought it because I was like, maybe she just went to one and she didn't go to multiple. But yeah, I feel like if I do keep this, I am going to sell my Honda Civic, and yeah, it's just gonna be a daily driver. You know, Lexus is reliable. I've had Lexuses before, they were really reliable if you keep them maintained. Yo, I'm home. So I played myself, to be honest, with this car. I didn't see, I don't know, I know it sounds dumb, but I did not really look at the car like I was supposed to. I thought it was just quarter panel damage. Turns out the doors hit a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take the dent out myself, I don't know. But also, I was looking when I dropped my girlfriend off. I parked the car and I was just looking under the quarter panel, you know, under the wheel. And I didn't realize how fucked up the frame was in the rear. So I'm even more scared to see how much it's gonna cost to fix that. I don't know. I'm gonna try to hammer it out. I'm gonna try to not waste so much money on the repair just so I could get everything I want for the car. And I could afford everything I want for the car, but I'm being smart. I'm still gonna try to make a profit. I'm not just gonna go ahead and waste like a whole bunch of money on this car because I know I'm not gonna keep it. So that's the issue. No one's gonna want to buy a car with frame damage, you know. Like, people barely even want salvage title cars. It's dumb. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the car to DEQ. I'm gonna try to go on Monday. I don't know if they're open Saturday. So I'm gonna do that, and after that I'm gonna look into the repair costs for the quarter panel, the door, and the frame. I think I could pull the frame out myself with the hammer. I've done it before on my uncle's car, so I'm gonna try that. But if it doesn't work, I am going to just buy the fender liner and cover that shit, and I'm gonna scam someone. No, I'm playing. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna just try to fix it up real good, you know, so people actually buy the car. And yeah, this video, it's kind of, all the clips I recorded are in a car, and it's not even showing me. It's just showing the dash and the speedometer, or the cluster, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not gonna put much of that in. I did record a whole bunch of clips, and I'm thinking now that's making the video so damn long, so I'm not gonna do any of that. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Like, oh my god, I keep saying that wrong. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you want. And yeah, next video will be me talking about the plans for this car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and catch y'all later. Peace. It's a common ocean, perpetual.